So, welcome to this live, guys. Today I want to experiment like trying to build a, a YouTube channel using AI, and I'm going to use Cloud to ask questions. So, let me first check if everything is okay. Okay. So for the record, I don't know if this is going to work. So this is an experiment. I'm just experimenting. So hey Claude, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you loud and clear, Caesar. What's on your mind?
So what I want to do is I want to create a YouTube channel using AI. I have seen many restoration YouTube channels.
I'm picking up that your message got a bit garbled there. Let me make sure I understand. You want to create a new channel using AI and something about restoration, but the thought sort of trailed off. What exactly are you looking to do?
Yeah, I want to create a YouTube channel using AI about restoration.
Okay, so you're wanting to create something new with AI, but it
Mhm.
sounds like you got cut off again. What is it you're trying to create? A chatbot, a content
YouTube
channel,
channel
an app,
has
something else?
no, a content channel. That is what I want to create.
Ah, cheers. So just to check, was that a thumbs up on what we were discussing, or are we moving on to something else?
No, I want to create a content channel.
Right, brilliant. So you want to build a content channel. What sort of content are you thinking of creating? Is it videos,
Create articles.
articles, audio, or something else entirely?
I want to create a content channel about restoration.
Got it. So a content channel about questions, like a Q&A kind of thing. Are you
Hey, hola
thinking of
Cynthia.
answering questions?
Hi Cynthia. Oops.
Hey there. Sounds like someone else just popped in. No
No worry.
worries. Whenever you're
Sorry, Claude. So, we are talking about that I want to... ¿Qué estoy haciendo? Mira, me estoy tratando de crear un canal de YouTube. Pero me voy a detener acá porque si no esta Claude se pone todo... Estoy tratando de crear un canal de YouTube usando Claude, que es inteligencia artificial. Que hay un montón de canales. No sé si puedes ver ahí la pantalla. Hay un montón de canales como de restauración. Entonces, esto lo hacen con inteligencia artificial. Entonces, estoy tratando de crear
easy
un,
on the chains, lower it slow.
un canal
Rear
así.
left clearance. Jacks are clear. She's settled.
Okay, Claude, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm still here. Go ahead. What were you saying?
Yeah, I want to create a content YouTube channel about restoration. So I have seen many YouTube channels like they are like restoring cars, old cars, and things like that.
Ah, got it. So you're thinking of a restoration channel on YouTube, like those satisfying videos where people fix up old cars and other things. That's a really popular niche.
Mhm.
Are you wanting to focus on cars specifically, or cast a wider net with all sorts of restoration projects?
So I really don't know. What do you think? what I should do.
Right. So here's my take. First, you'd want to nail down your niche. Are you focusing on cars, furniture, electronics, or a mix? Then figure out what makes yours unique, whether that's your expertise, your style, or a fresh angle on restoration. After that, it's really about consistency with uploads and good production quality to stand out in a crowded space.
Okay, yeah. So the the consistency, I can do that. I can be very consistent uploading videos. So one problem that I have, I think, is that I want to use Flow to create the videos, and I only have like 1,000 credits per month.
Right. So you're working with limited
Mhm.
resources, just a phone and modest credits monthly. That's actually doable though. What are those credits for exactly? Are they for editing software, cloud storage, AI tools, or something else?
No, the credits are for creating the videos. For example, if I create a video, Flow charge me like 20 credits.
Ah, I see. So you're using some kind of AI video creation tool that charges credits per
Mhm.
video or per element. That's a tight budget, honestly. Are you thinking you'd need to use those credits for every video you make? Or just for certain parts like animations and graphics?
No, definitely I need to use the credits for the videos.
Right. So you need to
For the
use
videos.
those credits for the core video creation itself.
Mhm.
Given you've only got 1,000 credits monthly, you'd need to be pretty strategic about how you spend them. How many videos are you hoping to put out each month? And roughly, how many credits does a full restoration video typically run you?
So I really don't know, but 20 credits is like a 6 second video. And imagine if I want to create like a 3 minutes or 4 minutes video.
Right. So if a 6 second video costs you credits, then a 3 to 4 minute video would likely be quite a bit pricier, probably many times more. You'd need to check with the platform to see the exact cost breakdown. But honestly, with only 1,000 credits monthly, you might need to either go shorter, use fewer AI generated elements, or find a mix that
Mhm.
fits your budget. What's the platform you're using?
So the name is Flow.
Ah, Flow. Got it. So you'd want to check their pricing structure to see exactly how credits scale with video length. That way, you can figure out if you can afford 3 to 4 minute videos monthly, or if you need to keep them shorter to stay within your 1,000 credit budget. Have you had a chance to look at their pricing yet?
Yeah, so the 1,000 credits is like $20 per month.
Right. So Flow costs $3 per month.
No,
That's
no,
pretty affordable.
no, 20.
But what about you? So $20 gets you the 1,000 credits, yeah?
Mhm.
That'd actually work out reasonably well if you're strategic about it. The real question is, how many credits each finished restoration video burns through? Have you tested creating one yet to see the actual cost?
No, I haven't experimented with that yet.
Fair enough. I'd say your next step is to actually build a test video on Flow,
Mhm.
maybe a shorter restoration clip, and see how many credits it gobbles up.
Mhm.
That'll give you a clear picture of whether your 1,000 monthly credits can sustain regular uploads, or if you need to adjust your strategy.
Mm. So maybe what I can do is that instead of creating a long form video, I can create like a short form and only like 30 seconds or 40 seconds. What do you think?
Exactly. That's a smart approach. Short form content like 30 to 40 seconds actually works really well on YouTube anyway. People love those quick, satisfying restoration clips. You'd stretch your credits further and could probably post more frequently, which helps with the consistency you mentioned wanting.
Okay, so what do you suggest? So can you give me like the prompt for flow?
Right. So you'd want a prompt that captures the essence of a restoration clip. Something like showing the before and after of an object being fixed up, with satisfying detail shots of the work in progress. But honestly, I'd need to know a bit more about Flow's specific format and capabilities to give you a spot-on prompt. What kind of prompts does Flow typically accept? And what sort of restoration project are you thinking of tackling first?
So as you can see in the screen, guys, so I have been doing some research about these restoration channels. Check this one, 1.62 million subscribers. Restoration channel, 9.31k subscribers. So let's check this channel and let's see. So let's see the stats. So they uploaded this video 1 month ago. You channel the stats. So it's from United States. So they are pretty consistent with the views. Videos published, none. 30 days ago. Estimated earnings. So this person has a pretty good channel here. 8, but if I'm so let's watch one video because I think this is a real person who is fixing the car.
Right now, someone in your area is searching YouTube for a business like yours. But if they don't click your video, they'll click your competitors. That's exactly why we built Clickly. Clickly is the fastest way to create YouTube thumbnails that actually.
So one important thing is that in this chart you can see that the views are organic, so they are not paying for ads. So as you can see, guys, this is a real person trying to fix cards. Starting test driving. So let's check now this one. Restoration. 1.662 million subscribers. So this is definitely AI. Or no. So it's kind of confusing, but I think this is a real person. Oh, but they are restoring. So these are car games. Abandon. I really don't know. It seems AI, but it seems real as well. So let's see this video. Mm. I think this channel is real, guys. So let's find another. So maybe I can do something like with that approach. Restoration station. So this is definitely AI. Restoring born red fire truck from cards. So this is definitely AI, guys. Mhm.
Thank you so much, son.
Dude, you've got a 3080 Ti in there for a brain.
So it's like kind of cool this video. 12 and 50 minutes. 12 minutes. I like this video, guys. I like. So let's try to do something easiest because creating this, I don't know, of using the in on the platforms like Flow or Higgsfield.ai, it it needs to be like, so I need to have more credits on the account. But let's create something like this. So let's use Claude here. So hey Claude, I want to create content. No, I want to create a content channel, YouTube channel using AI, and about restoration cards.
Sorry, I'm catching a few transcription hiccups there. Are you saying you want to create content about restoration cards, like trading cards or vintage cards that people restore? Or did you mean something else?
No, cards. Cars. No, cars.
Ah, restoration cards.
Uh-huh.
Right, that makes sense. So, you're thinking of doing short-form restoration videos of old cars on Flow. What kind of cars are you imagining? Vintage classics? Beat-up daily drivers? Specific makes like old Chevrolets or Fords?
I want to create vintage classics. Vintage classics. Vintage classics.
Bench-class cars.
No.
So like classic vintage automobiles. That's a solid niche for restoration content. For your Flow prompt, you'd want something that focuses on showing a classic car transformation, maybe highlighting the detail work and the satisfying before and after. Does that sound right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Brilliant. So your prompt could be something like, show a classic car restoration in 30 seconds. Focus on the satisfying transformation from worn and rusty to polished and pristine, with close-up shots of the detailed work. That gives Flow a clear direction for what you're after. Want to give that a go?
Yes. Can you help me with the prompts? Yes. Can you help me with the prompts? Creating the prompts?
Brilliant. Sounds like you're ready to dive in then. Give it a shot with Flow and see how those credits work out. Let me know how it goes. Curious to see if those short clips work well for your restoration car channel.
Yeah, but can you help me writing the prompts? I think that I don't know what is happening, but
No worries. Sounds like things got a bit jumbled there. What were you trying to ask me about? Take your time.
can you help me writing the prompts? Oh, we're ready.
Lovely.
Can you help me writing the prompts? So let's craft some solid prompts for Flow to make them really work for you. Sure, yeah. Let me ask a couple of quick things. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, guys, is creating a YouTube channel about restoration, and I'm using Cloud and Flow. So Flow is a platform that I'm going to use to create the videos using AI, and let me see if this is going to work out. Yeah. Cover it. Yes. Can you help me? Like, so, yes. Can you help me writing 6 prompts to the rest? So excuse me for my English for restoration. So let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, I have. Now we're going to copy this and paste it. Copy. And I'm going to choose 9 and 16. So this is for shorts, video frames. Okay. A classic Mercedes-Benz engine restoration. Yeah, that's the prompt. Oh, Bio 3.1 fast. Okay, so I have the second video. Now I'm going to copy paste the third prompt. So this video, guys, this video is cool. Can you imagine creating a YouTube channel like this one? They have only 33 videos and 24.2K subscribers. So, now let's check the video that I'm making using Flow. How many? So I have 21 seconds. So every video that I create, so Flow charged me 20 credits. So let's say that if I want to create like with more quality, so check this out, more quality, 1,000 credits, guys, and I only have, 100, and I only have 1,000 per month. So that is why I'm using this one, the Bio 3.1 fast. So this video has 4.6 million views. Wow. So it's a start. It's a start. Let's copy and paste. Let's check. 18%. Okay, now let's copy and paste the last prompt. And our YouTube short is already done. Okay, so let's check a complete before and after restoration. So it fails something. Okay guys, we have the video. Let's check the video. And this is the video that I'm going to upload in a new YouTube channel to see what happens. So this is an experiment. No, well, it's like mixing parts. Okay, but so definitely, I think that I need to work more on the prompts. But that's it for this live, guys. I'm going to download this video and create a YouTube channel and see what happens. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and talk to you soon.